Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best extendable duster is probably one of the most helpful tools for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, especially high ceilings, saving you from the hassle of ladders or precarious balancing acts. Today, we will review and compare some of the best extendable dusters on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to tackle those dusty corners and light fixtures with ease and efficiency, no matter how high your ceilings are. Number 5. DOCA Duster Kit. Say goodbye to dust and cobwebs with our versatile cleaning kit. It's perfect for reaching those hard-to-clean areas in your home or office. This kit features an extendable pole, giving you the reach you need to clean high ceilings, chandeliers, and more, without the need for a ladder. You get 3 different dusters, a feather duster, a ceiling fan duster, and a cobweb duster, all designed for different cleaning tasks. The microfiber materials are gentle on delicate surfaces, so you can clean your bookshelves, pianos, and other valuables without worrying about scratches. The duster heads are easily removable and washable, making it simple to keep them clean and extend their lifespan. Just rinse them with soap and water. The high-quality aluminum pole is lightweight yet sturdy, and its universal tip allows you to use it with other DOCA pole attachments for even more cleaning versatility. What we like? It boasts an extendable pole and comes with various attachments for different cleaning needs. If you need a versatile tool to tackle various high-reach cleaning tasks, this is the one for you. Its washable attachments ensure long-lasting hygiene and cost savings. What people say? The extendy pole? Absolutely awesome. Sturdy as hell and really nice to use. I used the ceiling fan dusting attachment, set an angle and started with that, extending the pole to about 12 feet. I then used it on our very high, very dusty chandelier, enclosed in glass. Worked great. Then I dusted the high moldings and that worked great. I extended the pole full length to clean the top of a soffit area and it worked well. The pole is sturdy, holds tight, and the attachments fit well. Number 4. Eversprout Cobweb Duster. It's carefully hand-packaged, ensuring the bristles are full and not smashed, unlike other products. This ensures you get the best cleaning performance right out of the box. Say goodbye to ladders. It extends up to 20 feet, letting you easily clean those hard-to-reach cobwebs high above the ground. It's the perfect tool for effortlessly removing spiderwebs and dust. Its lightweight design and easy-to-use features make cleaning a breeze. The stiff yet flexible bristles are ideal for tackling even the most stubborn cobwebs. You'll be amazed at how effectively it cleans. This lightweight aluminum pole is incredibly sturdy, weighing only 1.5 pounds. The non-slip grip ensures comfortable and secure handling, even when wet. Clean high ceilings, tight corners, walls, and beams with ease. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, making cleaning a simple task. What we like? This duster offers an impressive reach and features sturdy bristles perfect for outdoor cobwebs. If you're looking for a solution to eliminate those hard-to-reach outdoor spiderwebs without a ladder, this is your best bet. Its lightweight design makes cleaning effortless. What people say? This cobweb duster easily removes the cobwebs and is very sturdy. Makes a nasty job easy. With this tool, life is easier and it's sturdy and effective. It is lightweight but the construction is sturdy and the length is fantastic. It is also very simple to extend the pole to the desired height. The brush head did a great job of getting all of the cobwebs and dead bugs off the exterior of the house as well as lint that was trapped in the dryer exhaust vent. Number 3. High Reach Duster Kit. This kit makes cleaning high places a breeze. It's got everything you need to reach those hard-to-clean areas safely and efficiently. The extendable pole adjusts to 3 different lengths, reaching up to 20 feet. Its lightweight aluminum construction is sturdy and rust-proof. It comes with 3 different duster heads to tackle any cleaning task. Each one is designed for specific surfaces and hard-to-reach spots. The cobweb duster uses static electricity to attract and trap dust and cobwebs. Its soft bristles are gentle on surfaces. The microfiber duster traps dust and dirt effectively. Simply rinse it with water to remove the collected dust. This flexible duster conforms to the shape of your ceiling fan blades for thorough cleaning. It's also great for other hard-to-reach areas. With this kit, you can reach even the highest ceilings without needing a ladder. It's a safe and convenient way to clean your home. What we like. This kit provides a great value with its 3 different dusters and adjustable pole to clean high areas. If you're on a budget and need a comprehensive solution for various indoor and outdoor dusting needs, this kit is a smart choice. Its adjustable pole ensures you can reach any height with ease. What people say. I live in a home with 20 feet vaulted ceilings in the living room. A 6 feet wide window is at the very top of that wall. Spiders find that a cozy place to make their webs which catch flying bugs that make it up there. With this tool I can reach all around that window to clean up the cobwebs and hopefully snag a few spiders. I am 80 years old and a small woman at 5 feet 1 inch. This is light enough for me to handle and sturdy enough that the pole does not flex when extended to its full length. This is a very high quality item. The telescoping handle is sturdy, the brush is sturdy. I can reach my super high ceilings, and I can easily clean the brush head. It works very well, and made it look new again. It's lightweight if you are quick, but I couldn't go fast. There are 3 attachments and I used 2 so far on this one. It's very sturdy to use and not flimsy. Number 2. SetSail 100-inch Duster. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach dust. It features an extendable pole, reaching up to 100 inches, making cleaning high ceilings and hard-to-reach areas a breeze. This duster's telescoping pole extends from 30 to 100 inches. Adjust it to the perfect length for any cleaning task, high or low. The microfiber head is highly effective at trapping dust and hair. Use it wet or dry for optimal cleaning power. Its bendable head easily reaches awkward corners and angles. Clean ceiling fans, furniture, and even your car with ease. Simply remove the head, wash it with warm water, and let it air dry. It's that easy to keep it clean and ready for your next cleaning session. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us for a repair or replacement. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This duster features an extra long pole and a bendable head for cleaning hard-to-reach spots. If you need to clean high ceilings or awkward corners, this is your best option. The washable microfiber head makes it easy to maintain and reuse. What people say. It's very sturdy for the job. It's not meant for outdoor use, but it is great for getting rid of spider web on the vaulted ceiling and dusting the ceiling fan. Just got this in via overnight shipping and was able to dust 6 fans thoroughly in under 20 minutes, if not 15. It is lightweight so it's easy to hold up in the air and dust each plate off appropriately. The setup is intuitive and easy. The pole easily slides into the duster head and you're off to dusting. A plus is that much of the dust stays on the duster itself versus flying all over the room. I took it out for a shake after completion of the dusting and the dust came right off. It is lightweight and very functional. I use it for my large ceiling fan and the tall ceilings. I am going to order another one. Number 1. OOSOFITT Duster Kit. This complete cleaning kit has everything you need to tackle dust from floor to ceiling. It's perfect for homes and offices alike. Based on customer feedback, it features a reinforced, extra sturdy extension pole. Say goodbye to wobbly, broken poles. The 100-inch extendable pole lets you dust high ceilings and fans with ease. No more dangerous ladders. The microfiber dusters attract and trap dust like a magnet, preventing it from flying back into the air. Cleaning is easier and more efficient. The flexible dusters bend to any angle, reaching even the most awkward spots. Clean those hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. The microfiber covers are machine washable, except the feather duster, saving you time and money. Enjoy hundreds of uses. What we like. This kit includes multiple dusters and a long, sturdy pole, perfect for tackling various cleaning tasks. If you value convenience and efficiency, this is the ideal choice. The washable microfiber dusters are easy to clean and maintain, saving you time and money. What people say. This kit provides a variety of tools for every situation. The wand works well for blinds and door trim. The attachment for fan blades avoids having to get a step stool. It covers every need for dusting. It was just really easy to dust with this and it picked it up really well. The wand extends very far and I like the mini duster that came with it. The kit arrived, and as we opened the package it was clear the flexibility the cleaning heads and telescopic poles offered would be perfect for most dusting jobs. The attachment heads can be washed as well, meaning these should last a long time. Great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.